Best homemade cold, cough, and flu remedy. The combination of body aches, fever, chills, and nasal congestion can be enough to make anyone miserable. There are plenty of home remedies that can alleviate your symptoms and get you back to normal. And if you have trouble breathing, have a rapid heartbeat, feel faint, or experience other severe symptoms, get medical help sooner. Keep reading to see what cold and flu remedies you can conjure up at home. Chicken soup may not be a cure-all, but it's a great choice when you're sick. Enjoying a bowl of chicken soup with vegetables, prepared from scratch or warmed from a can, may slow the movement of neutrophils in your body. They help protect your body from infection. The health benefits of ginger root have been touted for centuries, but now we have scientific proof of its curative properties. A few slices of raw ginger root in boiling water may help soothe a cough or sore throat. Research suggests that it can also ward off the feelings of nausea that so often accompany the flu. Grab some ginger tea online today and start feeling its soothing benefits. Link below video. Drinking honey and tea with lemon can ease sore throat pain. Research suggests that honey is an effective cough suppressant, too. Adding a garlic supplement to your diet might reduce the severity of cold symptoms. Link below video. According to some research, it might even help you avoid getting sick in the first place. Drinking hot or cold lemonade may also help. While these drinks may not clear up your cold entirely, they can help you get the vitamin C that your immune system needs. They can help keep your gut and immune system healthy, and probiotics may reduce your chance of getting sick with an upper respiratory infection. For the delicious and nutritious source of helpful bacteria, include probiotic yogurt in your diet. Besides its potential benefits for your immune system, yogurt is a healthy snack that provides plenty of protein and calcium. Gargling with salt water may help prevent upper respiratory infections. It may also decrease the severity of cold symptoms. For example, it may ease sore throat pain and nasal congestion. Gargling with salt water reduces and loosens mucus, which contains bacteria and allergens. To try this remedy at home, dissolve 1 teaspoon of salt in a full glass of water. Just 1 or 2 applications before bed can help open air passages to combat congestion, reduce coughing, and improve sleep. Vapor rub is gaining traction among some doctors who encourage parents to avoid giving over-the-counter cold medicines to young children because of unwanted side effects. Temporarily adding a cool mist humidifier to your bedroom may help you feel more comfortable. Check the link below the video for our recommendation. Warm baths can also reduce cold and flu symptoms in adults. Adding Epsom salt and baking soda to the water can reduce body aches. Adding a few drops of essential oil, such as tea tree, juniper, rosemary, thyme, orange, lavender, or eucalyptus, may also have a soothing effect. Read more about habits that can help boost your immune system. www.greenjuicetribe.com